U.S. swimmer Anita Alvarez was rescued after fainting at the World Aquatics Championships. The artistic swimmer had sunk to the bottom of the pool and was not breathing after passing out at the end of her routine. Team USA's head coach Andrea Fuentes leapt into the pool to rescue her. When I saw her sinking, I looked at the rescuers, but I saw that they were stunned. They didn't react, said Fuentes reportedly. I had to jump in because the lifeguards weren't doing it. I think she was at least 2 minutes without breathing because her lungs were full of water. The USA artistic team released a statement from Fuentes on social media. Our sport is no different than others, just in a pool, we push through limits and sometimes we find them. Anita feels good now and the doctors also say she is okay.